Hello! Welcome to the kitchen. This is the refrigerator. The fridge is very cold. Here is the sink. The water is running. Whew. This is the counter. Oh. We cook on the stove. The oven is for baking. Ghost Frau Bridewell. When Wistos. I use the toaster for bread. This is a drawer. I eat soup with a spoon. A fork is for salad. Be careful with the knife. Put the food on the plate. I drink from a glass. The mug is for tea. Look cupboard. Look in the cupboard. The pot is very big. Use the pan for eggs. The milk is fresh. I like sliced bread. I like suede bread. This apple is red. The banana is sweet. An orange is round. I use oil for cooking. Add a little salt. Honey is very sticky. We use flour for cake. Sugar is very white. The butter is melting. Jam is delicious. I am cutting the carrot. The water is boiling. I am stirring the soup. Ooh, the egg is frying. Wait for the timer. The heat is too high. Wear a mitt for safety. The food is ready. I am thirsty. Time to eat dinner. I sit at the table. I use a napkin. Pat, the meal was great. Time to clean up. Whew! Woo! The soap is bubbly. Oh, rough. Scrub the dirty plate. Right, green pass. Rinse with clear water. Dry your hands now. This towel is soft. Everything is clean. Wipe the table. Whoa. Put trash in the bin. I sweep the floor. Pick up the dust. The floor is wet. The day is over.
Turn off the light.
Good night, kitchen. I love my family. Happy memories. Oh. I am tired now. Take off your shoes. Drink before sleep. Good night, everyone.